Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G, and let me show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. And now let's tap to photos category. Here at the first page we have rear photo resolution, at the second we have front photo resolution, so you can tap on whatever you need. Now let me pick rear. And as you can see, we can pick between two options. Of course, I suggest you to keep it on the best possible, which is recommended. And in front, we have similar thing. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.